Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom Weldment profile. First you need to draw a sketch. So I'm going to create a new part. On the front plane I'm going to create a sketch and draw the custom profile. Your custom profile will typically be a cross section of your Weldment profile. Now that my sketch is complete, I can save it. First, we need to find out the file location. So click Options. Then make sure you go to System Options, not Document Properties. Then click on File Locations. Then go down the Show Folders for list all the way to Weldment Profiles. Here you will see the default file location. So if you browse to that file location, you'll see there's a folder called Weldment Profiles. Now this folder has a particular structure. You'll see by default we've got two folders. This is our standard. So here you can see I've got ANSI standard and ISO standard. I'm going to create a new standard. I'm going to call this custom. Inside that custom folder, I'm going to create another folder for my type, and I'm going to call it square tube. So I'm going to put all my square tubes inside this folder. Once you've set up your folder hierarchy, you can save the file. So what you'll do now is highlight the sketch from your feature manager tree. Then click Save As. First of all, change the Save As type from SOLIDWORKS part to a library feature part. Then browse to the folder where you created your Weldment profile structure. And inside that square tube folder, I'm going to save the part. But I'm going to give this the correct name, 50 by 50 by 3 SQR tube, and click Save. Then go to your Weldments tab, select Structural Member. Now you'll see from the standard drop down list we have custom. Then for type you'll see I've got my square tube folder, and inside there I have my size 50 by 50 by 3 square tube. Then you can just add it to your sketch. And just like that, you've created a custom Weldment profile. Thank you for watching.